Hi. Today in France, the shops open for Christmas shopping after long months of joblessness. This is what does look like today at a French mall. Here you see people waiting for the Primark shop to open. Some of these people confirm they have been waiting for more than 4 hours. Imagine 4 hours waiting to buy clothes. Do you know what does the weather like today in France? For degrees C. Believe me, it's cold. Please do subscribe, like, and share if you want more content like this. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye.